If you are into photography or videography, there is one item which is kind of salt in your food. It's just there. You won't notice it until it is missing. I mean, can you guess it? Yeah, it's your tripod. Although you trust your expensive camera with it, but you are still don't want to spend too much money onto it. I'm guilty of it too. So this happened with me. So I dropped my Sony FX3 and put a dent onto it. I learned my lesson the hard way. So I was looking to buy a new tripod, and MANBILY contacted me to try out their new tripod and asked me to give it a try whether I like it or not. I didn't have high expectation of it, but oh man, it turns out to be the best budget tripod in my opinion. So I wanted to share it with you. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by MANBILY, but they do send me the tripod. They have no input in this review. These are my own honest opinion about this product. By the way, you might notice my voice is a little bit off because I got cold and I'm sick, and so I'm having coffee a lot more than usual. Sorry about it. Let's start the video. This is MANBILY FPT-284. I got confused with the model name at first because it's written KF0 in the ball head and the model name is written in a very hard to find position. So MANBILY, if you're watching this video, you can make an improvement here. Anyway, let me clear this. This tripod is not a travel tripod because of its weight and size. The structure is made out of aluminum, which can hold up to 15 kilograms of load, which is quite impressive. The body is quite nice and sturdy, better than I expected. The legs can be easily expanded with 2 twists and can be locked with another twist. The legs can be easily twisted and there is a lock mechanism in each legs. One of the legs can be easily removed and can be used as a monopod with the ball head. The height of the tripod is 178 centimeters, fully extended. The ball head feels pretty high quality and reliable. It's a 360-degree panoramic ball head. You can achieve very smooth and accurate angles with it. The ball head can be removed and you can use another ball head if you want. You can use fluid heads as well. So it comes with this mounting plate, which I hate the most because this is the reason why I dropped my Sony FX3, because the mounting plate was not attached properly. So when I move my camera, it just fell off. So any tripod coming without our quick release plate is a no-no for me. So I replaced this mounting plate with my quick release plate. This quick release plate is from Ulanzi. It is attached to all of my tripods and camera bodies, so I can quickly attach and detach my cameras safely and securely. This tripod has 3 bubble levels to keep everything straight. So far nothing special, right? But now I'm gonna talk about the feature which make this tripod so special, if not the best tripod for me. It's this center column. This center column can move horizontally to 90-degree angle, which make top-down shots so easy and reliable. Top-down overhead shots are one of my most favorite shots, which adds a unique angle to your videos. I haven't seen this feature in most of the tripods, not even in the expensive tripods as well. I don't know why they don't make this available, because this is so important for a content creator, like taking overhead shots which make your videos more dynamic and more interesting. I mean, why not? So to get this angle, you have to extend the middle column fully and push this red button at the bottom, which will release the column, and twist this angle knob. Now set the angle and twist the knob properly so that it won't move. If you set it properly, there will be no movement in the joints. If your camera is too heavy, they provided this item to hang counterweights safely. These little things make it a great tripod. You can also remove the center column totally and use it as a ground level macro angle. The rubber bottom of the legs can be removed and can be replaced with spikes if you want more stability. Only one improvement I can ask for this tripod is just remove these mounting plates and add quick release plates, and they provided 2 of these and I don't use any. They provided another ball head to mount lights or monitor with it, which is kinda nice. They also provided a simple carry bag. I don't know I'm gonna use it or not, but yeah, they provided it. So what make it the best tripod for content creators? It depends on 3 things: your niche, your budget, and the feature it provides. If you are a content creator or photographer like me, where you need a high quality tripod in your studio which will not break your bank and also covers all of your creative needs as a content creator, this tripod is for you. I will highly recommend this tripod. The price is around $130, which make it an awesome budget friendly tripod despite of its unique creative functionality. So that's all for this video. I'll add a link in the description if you want to buy the same tripod. The link will not be affiliated, so I'll not get any benefit from it. So if you like this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing. I am very close to 2000 subscribers. Make it happen, please. If you have any question or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.